Hello guys, today on Topskick we'll do a small pack opening, only 2 packs, but okay, it's enough. Our first pack will be a BPL royalty pack, so let's open that pack. And our first pack is loading up and our first player is Cock. Beautiful. Banyama, Rome, Jordi Gomez, Matt Ritchie, Britos, nothing. That's a shitty pack. So let's open another one. And that will be... should we open that pack? Yes, I think that we should. UEFA Champions League International Icons pack. Let's open that pack. The pack is loading up. Let's see, who do we get? Luciano Vietto, first player. Feguli, second player. Altintop, third player. Fuck. Again. Fuck's sake. Lewandowski, okay, but that's a shit player. That's not a shit player, but it could be much better. And our final player will be... what the fuck? Oh, there we go. No, fuck's sake. Yes, Ferreira Carrasco, and that will be it. So that's it for this pack opening. The winner of the last was what's his name? James Donald, I think. Yes, he will get gold Nainggolan, gold Luis Gustavo, and gold Gameiro. Congratulations, man. See ya, guys.